Dear students, today we will start chapter number 7, Geometry. First, we will recall plane figures. A rectangle, a square, a triangle and a circle are plane figures. So, what is the example of plane figures? A rectangle, a square, a triangle and a circle. Here A, B, C, D is a rectangle. So A, B, C, D is a rectangle. It has 4 sides. What are they? AB, BC, CD. This is CD. AD. This one is AD. So 4 sides are AB, BC, CD and AD. It has 4 corners. A is one corner, B is second corner, third corner is C and the fourth corner is D. Opposite sides are equal. The side AB is equal to side CD. AB is this one. Opposite to AB means CD. So AB equal to CD. Side BC is equal to AD. BC is this side. With BC, which one will be equal? AD, because AD is in opposite of BC. So we got 4 points from here. ABCD is a rectangle. It has 4 sides. What are they? AB, BC, CD and AD. It has 4 corners. A, B, C and D. Here opposite sides are equal. With AB, which one is opposite? This one is opposite, CD. So AB and CD are equal. And with AD, which one is opposite? BC. So AD and BC are equal. Now with vertex A, which one is opposite vertex of A? C. If we join A and C, we will get a straight line. Here I am joining A and C, these 2 corners. We are getting a straight line. The name of this line is AC. AC is a diagonal. So a line joining opposite corners is called diagonal. Read this definition. So what is the definition of diagonal? A line joining opposite corners is called a diagonal. Similarly, with B, opposite corner is D. When I am joining B and D, I am getting a line BD. BD is a diagonal. That means a rectangle has 2 diagonals. Now we will learn square. EFGH is a square. EFGH is a square. It has 4 sides. What are they? Like the rectangle. What are their name? EF, FG, GH and EH. It has 4 corners. The name of the corners are E, F, G and H. All its sides are equal. So it has 4 sides, EF, FG, GH and EH. These 4 sides are equal, but for rectangle we got that opposite sides are equal. So what is the difference between rectangle and square? In rectangle opposite sides are equal and in square all sides are equal. Since the opposite sides of a square are equal, it is also a rectangle. But a rectangle is not a square. This is very important. Opposite sides of a square are equal. Since in a square all sides are equal, we can say the opposite side of EH is FG. So EH equal to FG. Similarly, with EF, which one is opposite side? GH. EF equal to GH, that means we can say that opposite sides are also equal in square. That's why we can say that the opposite side of a square are equal. It is also a rectangle. But rectangle is not a square. Why rectangle is not a square? Because in rectangle only opposite sides are equal. All sides are not equal in a rectangle. Like rectangle, square also has two diagonals. What are they? EG and FH. Because with E opposite corner is G, so EG is a diagonal. Similarly, FH is also a diagonal. So in square there are two diagonals. X, Y, Z. This is a triangle. It has three sides. Name the three sides: XY, YZ and XZ. It has three corners. X is a corner, Y is a corner and Z is a corner. So it has three corners: X, Y, Z. This is a circle. It has one curved surface. It has no corners because it is not like a triangle. I am not getting any point like X, Y, Z. So it has no corner. And it has only one curved surface. This is a curved surface. This one is an oval. It has one curved surface, like circle. Oval has one curved surface and it has no corner. So the geometrical figures are different. This one is circle and this one is oval, but they don't have any corner and they have only one curved surface. And when I am writing the name of the sides, I am writing that XY is a side, YZ is a side and XZ is a side. Now remember one thing, in place of XZ, if I am writing ZX, that is also right. XZ and ZX denote the same side. Now name the plane figures. First figure, it has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four side means it will be rectangle or square. Here opposite sides are equal. With this one, this side is equal, and with this side is equal. That means opposite sides are equal. So this is a rectangle. Second figure, it has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. All sides are equal. So this is a square. This is a circle because only one curved surface is there. D. 1, 2, 3. Three sides means triangle. E. 1, 2, 3. Three sides means triangle. F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four sides are there and opposite sides are equal. With this side is equal. And with this side is equal. So this is a rectangle because in rectangle we get that opposite sides are equal. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Four sides are here and all sides are equal. So this is a square. And this one is oval shape. So if in a figure there are three sides, it will be triangle. If there are four sides, it may be rectangle or square. If opposite sides are equal, then we say that it is a rectangle, and if all sides are equal, then we say that it is a square. How many sides and corners do the following have? Square, 4 sides, 4 corners. Rectangle, 4 sides, 4 corners. Triangle, 3 sides, 3 corners. And circle, 1 side, 0 corner, because we are not getting any corner here, and 1 side because we get one curved side. That's why 1 side. Thank you, children.